Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a LoRa based smart home control system using NodeMCU, Arduino Uno, and a LoRa module. This system supports both online control using Blynk app and offline control using touch sensor. We will also see how LoRa communication works internally using UART configuration. This video is sponsored by React Technology. React Technology provides different wireless communication modules including LoRa, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GNSS modules. In this project, we have used LoRa module. React Technology has several LoRa modules, but we have used this number one LoRa module, which is RYLR998 module, which supports frequency bands like 868 MHz and 915 MHz. Let's see how to make it. We need an Arduino Uno, a 5-volt relay module, a touch sensor, a OLED display, a LCD display, our hero LoRa module, a breadboard, and few jumpers. Before using these LoRa modules, we need to configure them using UART communication. Let's open serial monitor. We need to send AT command to check communication. If we receive OK, confirms UART communication is working. I have used a voltage regulator to protect the LoRa module from the high voltage in RX pin. Now let's set up Blynk console. Let's start a new template, LoRa home automation, ESP8266 code, and new data stream. Follow the instructions for the app setup. Now let's assemble NodeMCU part. You can copy these from the Blynk web dashboard. When I press the button in the Blynk app, the NodeMCU sends a command through the LoRa module. The receiving LoRa module connected to the Arduino receives that command. The Arduino then controls the relay module accordingly and sends an acknowledgement back. On the OLED display, we can see the Wi-Fi status, LoRa status, and command source. We can see the real-time status in the display. We can also control the system offline using the touch sensor, even without internet. The touch sensor triggers the NodeMCU to send a LoRa command. As you can see, the system works in both online and offline modes. It is now back to online. This is a simple but powerful LoRa-based smart control system. You can extend this project by adding multiple relays, sensors, or even solar-powered remote nodes. If you found this project helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.